from Cambodia, the Open Institute is pleased to introduce to the World Summit Award the Gender-Based Violence Project, which is a very unique one. This is actually a website has been designed by using Ushahidi platform, as you have seen here in national language, in Khmer language. The project provides both the official and the stakeholder tools and knowledge they need to keep track of incidents of gender-based violence online in a way that can be viewed by the public in order to increase awareness and to work toward immediate intervention and prevention methods. The purpose of the project is to empower counselors and women organizations in Cambodia to use information communication technology, which we call ICT, to monitor government prevention efforts and response to violence against women, to aggregate and analyze data, capture these efforts, to produce evidence that can be used to assist the government to deliver its promise to combat and eliminate violence against women. The target group of this project, also the Ushahidi website in Khmer language, is include counselors, women organization in Cambodia, developing institution, victim and potential victims, the Ministry of Women Affairs of Cambodia. It may also use for researcher for academic purpose. The value of the product. This project is meaningful for mitigating gender-based violence cases in Cambodia for the following reasons. First, Ushahidi is produced in the simple way and in Khmer language, thus no requirement to users to have any foreign language ability to view and use it. Second, the website is self-explanation of terms and how to use it. Third, Ushahidi is the first database system allowing public not only to view but also to report gender-based cases in Cambodia. Fourth, the GBV mapping visualization allows users to see the whole picture of how many GBV cases happened in Cambodia during particular period of time. The website also provides gender-based violence victims and people working on gender-based violence prevention with volumes of law, regulations, and policies response to gender-based violence. 6. The website also provides gender-based violence victims and people working on gender-based violence prevention services that are available for them so that gender-based violence victims can know where to get help. Detailed introduction of how the production is produced. It is a long process of preparation, learning, and adoption. The Ushahidi of Gender-Based Violence Project was created in English language first by staff of the Association for Progressive Communication, APC. Our technical staff worked very hard to study about this new technology. There's a lot of communication back and forth between our staff and staff at the APC until we understand this new platform and know how to use it. We later localize it into our own language, then put it in our own server with the purpose for Cambodian people to use, to view it and to use it. It is time-consuming, but we are happy to learn and are happy to see that finally we are able to adapt the new thing.
First, I received Ushahidi in English from APC. The Ushahidi is new to me. It was a very long process of learning and adopting new technology. I communicate back and forth with APC staff until I understand it and migrate it successfully to the new server. Later, I start to localize each category, term of use, and make the final localization of Ushahidi available in Khmer language. It is hard but also fun, and I really enjoy this work.
To develop website is one thing, but how the content of this website have been collected and upload into the website is another process. First, we designed a questionnaire for a survey on gender-based violence in Cambodia by collecting information in 2011 from Phnom Penh City and Battambang, Siem Reap and Kampong Thom provinces. Many meetings were held with stakeholders to discuss and decide on what kind of information should ask. After the questionnaire was finalized, 4 training courses were conducted to train 108 local counselors from target area of intervention as mentioned above. They were trained about gender concept, gender-based violence, data collection methodology, ethical of data collectors, etc., so that the information will be collected smoothly for filling in the questionnaire. 3 training courses were conducted for member organizations of the Cambodia NGO Committee on CEDAW on how to use the Ushahidi to search for information and to record, keep track of gender-based violence incidents. Were conducted to present the Ushahidi. One is about the use of ICT for GBV prevention, and the other one is about media and social media participation in ending gender-based violence. The discussion is both forum recognize the important role of ICT in ending gender-based violence, the promotion of the involvement of media and social media, and strategy how to use media and social media for gender-based violence prevention. While awareness raising was made, the data collection has been completed. It is at this stage to make data entry into the LAM survey. The data also has been imported from the LAM survey into the Ushahidi and its mapping to visualize the gender-based violence incidents in particular period of time. Monitoring and evaluation of the product were done by face-to-face interview with target group and users. We received very many feedback from them, which highly appreciate this initiative that is very relevant and useful tools for them. One counselor expresses his opinion that this is the first time in his life he know and use the Ushahidi. He never know before that ICT can solve also social problem. He means gender-based violence. So now welcome to my office with the Ushahidi website in my right hand side in Khmer national language. At the moment there are around 400 postings that extract from the survey in 2011 and also from individual posting in this platform. Hope this gives viewers an image of gender-based violence in Cambodia. It is also a message to policymakers for the improvement of mechanism response to gender-based violence and for future development of regulation to end gender-based violence in Cambodia.